This is what it looks like. My brain went to the worst thing possible. It is kind of a dope cat. So this is the car. Okay, I'm gonna make like a full work vlog type thing, and then I'm also gonna film a vlog of just my car. So this vlog will be the work vlog because I have a lot of footage that I was gonna put in the last vlog that is going up today, which by the time you're seeing this, it's next Monday. Or you're seeing the car video first. I don't know what you're seeing first. You might see my new car video first. But if you're seeing this after, I have a new car. If you're seeing it before, I still have a new car. But I think I'm going to film 2 vlogs at once at the moment. So I'm going to film everything that I film about my car. I'll just keep it to that car vlog. And then everything that I film for work stuff, we'll just make a studio vlog type thing. Because I just noticed how much cleaning I have to do and work stuff I have to do. And I don't really want to put that in the car vlog because I want the vlog just to be about the car. So yeah. So, work-wise, today, first of all, I need to clean this. I'm currently editing my next, don't look at my face, don't look at my face. I'm currently editing the next vlog that's going up today. I have to just finish it, add sound and stuff like that, and then that's going up. And then I have to clean, and then I'm just gonna make orders today, I think. If you guys follow my Instagram, you know what I came out with on the weekend. But this is the aftermath on my desk of making a new product. This is what it looks like. Guys, this is reality, okay? I got a bag of chips. I was straightening my hair earlier. I was doing my makeup. I was making things. I was drinking water. I was... and, yeah. This is reality. This is the truth. What you see in TikToks is like this. But you look a little to the left and you're gonna have a heart attack. But look at these beautiful butterflies that came out of it, right? Look at, these are them not glazed at all. These are them before I even molded them, so these are still like soft clay. It's what they look like on the earrings. So these are ones, these are the ones that I kept for myself. I usually never keep earrings for myself, but I thought, are you kidding me? I had to keep a pair. And I put them on these little stud backings, so unfortunately there's no clip-ons available, but stop it. sorry, this is a continuation of the work vlog because I just checked in with the car vlog because I haven't been filming too much about the car stuff because I haven't gotten a lot for it. I'm gonna film more for the car vlog tomorrow. But for the work vlog, I'm currently sitting here eating cheese. And today I have to pack orders. I have a lot of orders over here that are done and ready to go. So I'm packing orders, and then I have to look at, start doing some stuff for a sponsorship video. Anyways, I'm also really excited about Stranger Things. Oh my gosh, Stranger Things comes out. I'm watching it 12 o'clock on the dot. I'm scared and nervous and excited and all the emotions in one. If you guys are watching Stranger Things, you're seeing this after it came out, let me know what you think in the comments about it. We'll have a discussion about Stranger Things if you watch it. If not, it's fine. But you should watch it, it's really good. But, yeah. We gotta pack orders now, so. Pack orders with me. Pack orders with Maya. Why is your nose so long?
Bean, you look so cute. Isn't you, Bean?
Oh, 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 she's jumping. She's jumping. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 jump. I know my purses are here, but jump, 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 jump. They want my snacks. Jump, jump, jump. Okay. Don't even think about it. Also, my thumbnail came off. We were washing our cars yesterday, me and Taylor, and I had like a really wet, you know when you wash a car, you have like a wet, spongy mid-on kind of thing. I mean, you can always use a different sponge, but you know what I mean. It just got too wet and just cracked in half, and I just ripped it off, so I had to repaint that. Rest in peace. Yeah, no duh. This has never happened before. I look sweaty and gross right now. It's like 32 degrees Celsius outside, so I'm... What is that in Fahrenheit? Hey Siri, what's 32 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit?
The answer is 89.6 degrees Fahrenheit.
Damn, y'all must have it hotter in some places because I hear people being like, it's 100 degrees. And I'm crying. I'm also Canadian, so I'm used to negative 32. Anyways, I'm waiting for Taylor. I just got a package. I want to open it with you guys because I know what it is and I'm really excited. I do not know how long this vlog is going to be because I have not been vlogging as much as I normally do. They look so messed up. Hold on. I don't know. I gotta get new slippers every like few months because I wear them so much all the time. These are lovely. Oh my god, my camera battery is splashing. Okay, well, I'm going for a bike ride after this, and then I have to film videos and TikToks and things. So I'll see you then because I'm gonna charge the battery while I'm out biking. But here's my slippers. Yay, no more smiley face ones. Even though I love the smiley face ones, but these are really cute. A little gray moment. All right, bye guys. I will see you after bike ride. Okay, hello, good morning. It's July 4th. My whole window got ripped out this weekend. You were on a G Fuel thing, so yeah, ignore that. Look at my whole freaking window. What the heck? What happened? Hold up. So they put new windows in. Now we kind of gotta deal with this for now. I look rough. I had to film a sponsored video, and I'm gonna start it today. I'm trying to figure out how I want to film it. Also, this vlog is late. I'm aware. There's no vlog today because today is Monday. This will probably go up Thursday though. You'll know before me because it will be going up. Anyways, I'm still really tired. Literally this morning, here, listen to how funny this is. Literally woke up this morning to the wiener dog at the door, which was Maya, the light brown one. Which is weird because she's not normally the one that comes and sleeps with me. It's usually Lexi, which is the black one. So what happened this morning, even earlier this morning, because it's only 8:48 right now. So even earlier this morning when Logan was leaving for work and he was brushing his teeth, Lexi was in the bed with me, but then she got up and left. But I don't think he knew that she left. And then I just woke up at 8 to Maya at the door, coming in and sniffing the blankets, and I was like, are you looking for Lexi? And I'm like, uh-oh, what if they thought Lexi was with me and they left her outside or something? I don't know. My brain went to the worst thing possible. So like, okay, now I have to get up to make sure Lexi's okay. So I went upstairs, she's fine, of course. Sorry I look like a troll right now, but I don't normally wake up at this time. But here we are. Yeah, so today we're filming the sponsor video, and then what else? I don't know, probably working on orders and doing whatever. I don't know yet. I gotta clean this room though, that's for sure. Hi. Come on. I gotta throw my old slippers out. Oh, there was 2 squirrels. Wow, Inez, we almost got them. This one is so cute. If you guys need an idea of backgrounds for photos or filming, use scrapbook paper because it's like the perfect size. Oh, I really like this one. I love that one. Ooh. I'm tempted to get one. You know what? No, I'm gonna hold off. See, this is really cool. Let's see. Oh. I have to start my sponsorship video. Black clay. Light. That is kind of a dope cat.
Look at this. That's cool.
It's like it looks like it's all the cat breeds in one.
Right. But it looks like
Plus stars.
if the cat was made out of shower curtain.
Guys, pro tip, if you're at Michael's and there's none up here, look it, I just grabbed a whole thing of tan. Oh, lovely. No, you're good, you're good. Okay. Let me get a score. They have the car mirror that you put on your, I don't know, what's that mirror called? What's that mirror called? Your back mirror? Your rear view mirror. I don't know if I can use this in my driver's test though. have nowhere to put it. Okay, we're gonna put you there for now because I don't have a tripod. Wait, I don't think it fits. It doesn't fit. No! Wait, because look, I have this here. Wait, hold on. I literally said when I was opening it, I'm not returning it now. Because look at the way I opened it. Alright, happy birthday, Mom, because you can have it now. Yeah, my mom, if it doesn't fit her car, then she can give it to my brothers. I could say we could do August 20th. We could do August 20th.
That works.
Okay, hello vlog. I'm actually gonna close out this vlog now because I don't know how long it is and I feel like I'm filming a bunch of random stuff and I feel like I should just close the vlog now. So if you guys like my vlog, subscribe, like this video, and yeah. I'm sorry that I missed the Monday vlog. I don't know if this is even gonna make it up for this week. I might even just post this one on the Monday. So I did miss a week. Yeah, but other than that, I've been doing pretty good with my vlogging, with uploading. I do want to get a little better with my filming, but we'll get there someday. Anyways, I love you guys. Bye. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.